Hi, I'm Elliot Ross. I'm an X-Academy member and I'm now a business development consultant at Exponential-e.
Hello, my name is Luna, one of the sales executives here at Exponential-e. I feel that progression is a big thing here at Exponential-e. Part of the Sales Academy, obviously a lot of that was around learning and progressing, but it doesn't stop there. We've got a great L&D team here that give you the tools to understand the new technologies that Exponential-e provide to customers and really help us to achieve our sales career objectives.
Since completing the Exponential-e Academy, I've seen various levels of progression. As my own personal knowledge and confidence has built, I've progressed through the company. So I've gone all the way from a junior sales exec to a full business development consultant in the direct team.
I think the biggest challenge that I faced during the Sales Academy was being too focused on the detail, just trying to understand and learn everything. But we've got teams internally that can help us with that. So to combat that, what I kind of focused my attention on was understanding the customer challenge, who we're talking to on a day-to-day basis. That really helped me take my mind away from the technical details and really keep the customer in mind.
The biggest challenge I faced during the Academy is the pure abundance of technical detail which is provided to you in such a short time frame. It can be quite overwhelming to start with, but I think it's important to just take your time and absorb as much as you can. To overcome it properly though, and as you progress through your career at Expo, you'll realise that you don't really need to focus too much on technical detail. Your role as a sales exec is to understand the challenges customers are facing and how we can get to the outcomes that they're looking for. And leaning on those technical teams which surround us on a daily basis is really the way to get through this.
Basic pay was one of the big concerns I had as part of any apprenticeships, but Exponential-e, they provide you with a great platform and a great basic pay to kickstart your career.
The basic salary you get when you start at Exponential-e in the Academy is extremely competitive, especially given what you've been employed to do. You're given a fast track into the IT industry and given all the tools and knowledge that you need to become a successful IT salesperson.
I don't think there's anything that I'd change from my time during the Sales Academy. I think the development that I achieved and the support that I got from the organisation was fantastic, and it's really put me in a good place to be where I am today.
If I had the chance to restart my journey in the Academy, I don't think there's much that I would change. I would just give a bit of advice to anyone that is going to join the Academy, and that would be to really take ownership of the role, take in as much information as you can and really apply yourself to the full course.
The great thing about the Sales Academy is a day in the life is different every day. You could be doing a mixture of sales cold calling, so speaking with new clients and proposing Exponential-e services. And another day you could be meeting out with clients. Obviously COVID has restricted that over the past couple of years, but as we come out of that, we're starting to meet customers face to face. So hopefully that gives you a feel as to what we do in the Sales Academy.
In the Academy, no 2 days are the same, so it's really hard to give a correct answer on what a day in the life looks like. But I think that's one thing that kept me motivated and really made the process quite enjoyable. You'll be given an aspect of different tasks and introduced to different people throughout the process. So that could be the managing director, the CEO, different board members or technical consultants who will impart information on you about what they do in their roles and how that will affect you. Or you could be tasked with prospecting, lead generation and finding information about new clients and the best ways to work towards approaching them. No 2 days are the same, but that's what makes the process really fun.
As part of the Sales Academy, we get extensive training on the different portfolio of services that we do offer, but it doesn't just stop there. Obviously, as a salesperson, you're going to be meeting clients from a day-to-day perspective, whether that be via Teams, virtually, or face-to-face. So we also learn things like presentation skills and relationship building skills.
During the Academy process, you'll undertake a wide variety of training. This typically ranges from technical to sales training. During technical training, you'll meet with different people across the business who will really teach you how to dig deep into the technologies and services which we offer, and then how to apply them to a certain customer scenario to fix the challenge that they're facing. Sales training can range from cold calling, prospecting, information digging and lead generation, but also one thing that I found being really key is sales presentation training.
I definitely recommend the Sales Academy to any person that's looking to kickstart their career in sales as well as the technology sector. Great foundation to really kickstart your career and help you develop.
If you get the opportunity to join the Exponential-e Sales Academy, I'd definitely recommend doing so. It's the perfect way to get your foot in the door into the IT industry. It will build up your confidence and give you a wealth of knowledge about the industry and the technologies and services within it.